India, a vast and various land of thousands of years and millions of people, of ancient knowledge and deep-rooted traditions. A land where learning and education has been revered from time immemorial. The United States of America, a land of opportunity. New, fast, a marvel of modernity and technology, and an irresistible magnet for all that is the best in the world. A land whose continued prosperity demands the instilling of high-quality education on priority basis. Bridging these two seemingly opposite ends of a spectrum is ICN, International Career Network, an organization founded by professionals with a vision of connecting those dedicated to educating with those entrusted to educate. ICN is an educational placement company, a company that with the clarity of its vision and the uniqueness of its methodology provides a much needed service. The demand for quality educators in language arts, fine arts, humanities, nursery and elementary education, special education, in addition to junior and high school science and mathematics, is all rising like never before, and quality teachers are hard to find.
Teaching in India is not a mere profession, it is a vocation, it is a calling. Teachers are chosen by God to teach children, to nurture them, to mold them, and to mold their lives. We are very proud that today our teachers are being quite sought after in the West. They are much in demand, and we feel proud that they are being recognized for their talent, for their dedication, for their great work that they have done in this country of uplifting the downtrodden, the illiterate, the uneducated, and we are very happy that our teachers are being sought after now abroad. We wish our teachers the best of luck because we are sure they'll make wonderful teachers anywhere they go. They'll do a great job and keep up the traditions of our rich country.